ako diretso na. Dahil kanina, off-cam, nag-usap tayo, what's happening, sabi ko nakatutok ako sa impeachment. Halimbawa, POV check tayo kaagad.
Okay.
Bago natin umpisa ng ating pag-uusap. May boyfriend, may nanliligaw, may girlfriend, etc. Pero hindi kayo politically aligned. Ano ang inyong gagawin? I mean, a general question. Ikaw, Joy.
I'm very big on conversations, Tito. And I'm not one to impose kasi sa relationship. So ako, I'll take muna kung ano yung kanyang side. I'll try to digest it. And in the same way, gusto ko rin paintindi sa kanya kung bakit ganun yung take ko. Pero I don't think it's going to be a reason for me to break up with somebody unless it's about morals, unless we're talking about lives being lost. Dun siguro ako magdodraw ng line. Pero if it's just politically being different, ako meron pa akong leeway to understand. Pero again, pag-understanding ko, magsa-stop lang siya kapag buhay na ang pinag-uusapan.
Buhay I understand. Pero pag moralidad ang pinag-usapan,
Kasama yan,
at
Tito.
halimbawa, politika ang pinag-usapan vis-a-vis moralidad, problema.
Problem.
Kasi halimbawa, sabihin ng boyfriend mo or nanliligaw sa'yo na, to me, this is morality. Immoral para sa akin ang impeachment process na ito. Pag pumunta siya doon sa diskusyon na yon and you disagree to it, anong gagawin mo?
Not break up agad. Ako talaga conversation. Kasi dito naman sa usapin ng impeachment, I'm very big on constitutional procedures. So long as equal naman, both parties are getting what they deserve, like yung right to a defense and also yung mga presentation natin ng evidences and ng facts natin. As long as nababalance siya, okay siya for me. Pero pagdating sa usaping moralidad, sa aking partner, unless talaga it's something that I cannot take, lalo na kapag yun na din yung way na gusto niyang mabuhay at i-lead yung relationship.
Violative na. Parang nagva-violate ka na.
Parang ito na yung paniniwala mo, ito na yung ideals mo as a person and morals mo as a person. Doon na ako magdodraw ng line.
Okay. Baus ikaw.
Ako, hard no kung magkaiba kami ng politics. And because I think politics
Hard
is...
no, ibig sabihin, hihiwalay ka, hindi mo sasagutin, hindi mo liligawan.
Well, I guess bago rin muna maging kami, tatanungin ko muna, sinong binoto mo nung huling election?
Pero that's a deal breaker for you.
I think so, because, di ba, yung kasama mo na to, kasama mo sa bahay, and of course, balak mo kasama mo siya for the rest of your life. So, politics needs to be a factor in terms of how you are going to view this partner, because the way they support you and your outlook in life, in terms of abundance, in terms of access, in terms of justice in general, I think that is a very big deal, or those are major factors I look for in a partner.
Pero Baus, hindi ba, is that tantamount to saying na ang pagmamahal nyo ay less than the political disagreement?
Not necessarily, but I think
That's part of the package.
Yeah, politics is one of the things that will inform the relationship that you are building. So it's just a major factor to consider.
Okay, ipupush ko ng konti. So, ikay may karanasan ba, Baus, na nung mga nakaraang taon, may mga kaibigan ka bang na-unfriend, mga kapitbahay na hindi nakausap dahil magkasalungat, colliding ang inyong opinion sa mga usaping politikal?
Wala akong personal friend per se na iba yung politics, pero yung meron ka na lang makikita, maybe batchmate mo from high school or college, parang, yan na pala yung paniniwala niya. Mga pleasant surprises siguro ang tawag ko doon.
And when you go through the pleasant surprises, what do you do?
It becomes an unpleasant experience for me.
Okay. Yeah, and I totally respect that. So, doon umiiwas ka, hindi ka na lang
Umiiwas.
You're not confrontational.
No, but I know that I am also being unfair to them because, they don't get to reason with me. But again, that's my feed, not theirs.
That's your space.
Yeah.
Okay.